Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Once again, we're going to take out our Gladius mini drone. And once again, we're going to be in some really murky, swampy water. This is not the same location as my first video. This is actually a swampy creek. But in this creek, there are bass, there are perch, maybe sunfish, and of course there's carp. Might be an occasional trout, and then some salmon get in here, some walleye, and some shad. I don't know what we're going to see, and I don't know how long I'm going to be able to be droning here because it's sprinkling and kind of raining off and on, but I wanted to get it in the water here. This small stream flows into the Columbia River, but where it meets the river, there's kind of like a rock wall. There's rocks there, so fish can really get out if they want to, but I don't know why they'd want to. And more importantly, this stream is just clogged up with green swamp grass and weeds and stuff. So it's a patchwork of chunks of open water with green stuff everywhere. So when I'm filming this video, we're going to see plenty of green stuff. Well, yeah, floating in the water. The current here isn't very strong. It's really slow and sluggish, and that's why it's so silted up, because from the fast water, where silt and dirt and sand and gravel's picked up, it's deposited in these slow sections. And this slow section is right before it goes into the Columbia River. So essentially what I have here in front of me, the section that's not all clogged up with grass, it's going to be it's really silty, as we can tell. But it's only about maybe 20 feet long, 10 feet wide, 8 feet wide, and it varies in width there. So I'm essentially just going to sail back and forth in this limited area. There's a few other clear spots farther up, but they're really hard to get to. I'm going to have to put the kayak in the water and maybe do it that way. Alright, so I'll let you watch the video for a little bit, and I'll talk to you when it's over. Well, that was pretty disappointing. It was hard to see, and even with a little hood over my phone, it was hard to see. And then a couple times I was able to land it on the bottom without the motors running. Just let it sit on the bottom before the current started moving it. And not just did we have the problem with the drone stirring up sediment, every time we came upon a larger fish, which was a carp, he was stirring up the sediment. Oh man, it was horrible. So we saw a bass, maybe a perch. Somebody swears they saw a trout. I don't know. And a bunch of carp. And yes, this time I was smart. I kept the file size small. I let the first clip run for about 9 minutes, and then I stopped it. And then I had the next clip run for about 6 or 7 minutes. They were manageable sized clips. And because I download that converter app onto the phone, $3.99, when you download the videos from the drone up the cable, into your phone via Wi-Fi, I was able to convert them right on the phone. And then I stick it in the computer and then, take it off and edit it for YouTube consumption. So, yeah. So far, I haven't got this in clear water, but I am really impressed with how good this does in the murky, dirty water, since that's all we've ever had this thing is in murky, dirty swamp water. All right, so have you seen one of these? Do you want one of these? Is this just a weird novelty? Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.